बाब कालूच हिंगा येयले स्पेशली ऑन दॅट इश्यू ऑफ कितें ते लिकेज जाता वा जायना तें पळोवपाक ताणें आपणाची चिंता हितून व्यक्त केली. सो तुमकांय आतां मेळ्ळ्या ते. सो वॉट हॅज बीन द डिस्कशन, तुमी कितें सांगलां तांकां?
So it's very good to see that Honorable MLA has visited the Kala Academy to find out the facts and the factuals about the video which has been got viral through the social media and through the press media. But एक गोष्ट he satisfied. I also listen his the comment what he has said. See, when the PWD is already the work is going in progress, and there is a testing of the hose pipe, which is the contractor or the PWD entire hose pipe has not been changed with the new one. It is an old one. And that is why the testing was very important. Servicing of that hose pipe and the whole mechanical things is very important. And while doing that work, in between the two technicians, the little bit there is a communication gap, and someone has opened that cap and second one has turned on the valve.
सो कोणें ऑन केला आनी दुसऱ्यान बंद केला.
Yeah. That is the only misunderstanding, the miscommunication. I may say that he thought that the one technician thought that the work has been already completed. Now I don't have to issue of open the valve. This is the one thing what he has already said, and I think the issue was only of 51 seconds and all that. But definitely, the work by the PWD has already completed that, and definitely we are going to have this handover process very soon.
सो पूण सो सद्याक तुमी इश्यू कांय ना तितून.
इशू काय ना. इशू जर कितें जालें जाल्यार हांव स्वता तुमचे मुखार हाडपाक शकता. सी आय एम व्हेरी ट्रान्सपरंट. हेवूय तुमकां हांव सगळ्या काही गोश्टी सांगत आयिल्लो आसात. इशू कितें आहा, एक जेन्ना खंयचे आमी एक घरान जेन्ना एक पायपलायन किंवा खंयचे एक हें जर टेस्टिंग करता आसतना उदक हें पडटात मेरे, इज अ क्वायट नॅचरल. हें जर आमकां जर सजमपाक जर कळना जाल्यार मागीर आनी कोण सजमतलो. दॅट हॅज बीन व्हेरी वेल अंडरस्टँड बाय द ऑनरेबल MLA, and in fact he has called up me in the morning also. I am going to be there, and it is your duty and it is a responsibility. See, it is not the responsibility only the government, it is also the responsibility of the opposition. Opposition is not mean that they are always giving a negative or targeting to the government. It is that he is doing a very good job because it is a responsibility of his own also. So he has shouldered the good responsibility. I am very much congratulating the Honorable MLA.
कालूस बाब, satisfied?
I think this we have seen it. Sometimes we get concerned, we get upset, icon. But if we see this reality and verify, as I have verified, I think we accept this explanation at the moment, and I think that is not such a big issue which was being projected. And I think when they take over charge, they will examine this, as which I understand, and then we will see what can be.
ओके, सेकंड एक दुखद घटना सकाळी जाली पळय, ती कशी कितें, वॉट इज अपडेट?
हाजेर आतां हांव घटना कितें घडली ती हांव तुका एक्सप्लेन करपाक शकता. की सकाळचे आमोरेचेर एक आकांत महम्मद फिरोज हो नांवाचो मध्य प्रदेश उज्जैनचो एक हँडीक्राफ्ट्स आर्टिजन, ताजो अकस्मात रिलेटिवूय गोंयान आशिल्ले, म्हणजे तेजे बरोबर आयिल्ले आशिल्ले, तेजे फॅमिली आशिल्ले. कारण दे वर हॅविंग ऑलमोस्ट 3 स्टॉल्स, आनी ती स्टॉल्स डायरेक्टली आर्ट एंड कल्चरान तांकां दिवून आशिल्लीं. तांकां आमी म्हणिल्लें आशिल्लें जाल्यार जे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता आमी मायनॉरिटी कमिशन किंवा मुगळी तांचें अलॉटमेंट आसता. कारण आमी तांकां पर्टिक्युलर आनी द वेस्ट झोन कल्चरल सेंटर अशें वेगवेगळे आमी तांकां अलॉट करतात. दे आर अलॉटिंग टू द देर पर्सन, अशें तातूंतल्यान ताणें ते अलॉट केल्ले आशिल्ले. आनी शेवट आमच्या हातान कांय नासता, तो देवाचो हें आसा. आमी इतलेंच म्हणटले, तुज्या आत्म्याक चिरशांती लाभची, इतलेंच हांव ह्या वेळाचेर म्हणटलो.
थँक्यू.